Today's demonstration will consist of the System Sensor MDL sync module. What will I be doing today with this thing other than coding a horn or bell in code 3? Well, the answer is simple. Doing what this thing was made for, coding a few system sensor devices. Well, I'll show you. First up here is my System Sensor P241575. It's the older non-multi-candela model, fixed candela rather. As you can see here, 1575, it has the locking thing up here, the snap lock as opposed to the screw hole. Next device, my System Sensor P1224MC. It's got a multi-candela strobe. It's set to 1575 candela. Over here is the S1224MC, the remote strobe counterpart to this, also set in 1575 candela. And last but not least, my SpectrAlert Advance, the P2R, set in 1575. Now mind you, all these devices are running off this single pair of wires here, 2-wire operation. The interesting thing about this, well, I'll show you later in the video. Also, don't mind this tape, it's late at night, and I want the alarms to be heard as equally as possible. Now to activate this setup, I will be using my RSG T-bar that has been rebranded by Simplex. I haven't used this thing in a while, so that's kind of why I wanted to use it. Plus, I've seen a few of these system sensor devices with RSG T-bars before. It's possible to have a setup like that, so that's kind of why I did it. Anyways, let's get on with the test. 3, 2, 1. That SpectrAlert Advance is not too loud with that tape on. See? In completely perfect sync. Now you see these wires over here, horn input, I got it tied in to the power in and this. Watch what happens when I disconnect one of the terminals from the horn input. You'll see here. All these horns silence. Yes, even in 2-wire, the horns are silent. That's because the module is now sending some kind of silence command to the alarms. So none of the horns are sounding right now, obviously, because of this. Now when I reapply the that wire, the horns are now sounding again. Now let's reset the T-bar. Come on. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed this mini demonstration of the System Sensor MDL sync module. Anyways, that's going to be it.